Customers with the AEC Collection can use a combination of AutoCAD and Revit to deliver accurate documentation for any project. In this workflow example, a designer has an existing library of AutoCAD details that they'd like to leverage on a project requiring Revit. Rather than recreating this extensive library of details from scratch, the designer simply links them into the Revit project. All new details can be created directly in Revit, using its extensive library of detail components. During the creation process in Revit, accurate placement of the detail components is done with various snapping tools that provide real-time feedback on dimensions. Components such as insulation and wall section views can be placed with precision, and as the detail is finalized, annotations and notes can be added to ensure accuracy for construction. The new details can be placed on the same sheets that contain the AutoCAD details. In addition, 3D views may be easily created and placed on sheets to help communicate design intent and reduce RFIs during the construction phase of the project. Leverage AutoCAD and Revit together in the AEC Collection.